Today I will show you two delicious chickpea salads, one for weight loss, one for weight gain. This is low-calorie chickpea salad for weight loss. People who are looking to lose weight while enjoying a nutritious meal. In a bowl, add boiled chickpeas, chopped cucumber, tomatoes and onions into a small pieces. Squeeze fresh lemon juice. With zira powder, pepper powder and salt. Mix the salad and enjoy it. This salad contains calories of 180 to 200 kilocalorie per serving. This is high in fiber, keeps you full longer. Low in calories, helps in weight loss, rich in protein for muscle maintenance. And we are using the same low-calorie chickpea salad as a base and increasing the calories by adding three simple but powerful ingredients, that is peanuts, pomegranate and honey. Peanuts 2 tablespoon 100 kilocalorie, pomegranate 1 by 4th cup, that is 40 calorie, and honey 1 tablespoon 70 calories. This high calorie salad is perfect balance of healthy fats and natural sugars. It supports weight gain without unhealthy fats. Boosts energy quickly, ideal for people looking to increase calories naturally. Easy to prepare and digest. No heavy dairy or processed ingredients are added here. That's how you can make a simple chickpea salad for both weight loss and weight gain. Try it out and let me know which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like, share and stay tuned for more easy recipes. See you next.